Greetings everyone and welcome to the Ridge. Blizzard received a special package in the mail called a Barkbox from his special friend Mooney. What the Barkbox is a subscription service for toys and treats for your furry little pal. I just want to start off this video and say that we didn't receive any compensation from Barkbox for this. This is purely a personal review of the product. So why don't we get started? So inside here, if you open it up, we have a How to Barkbox cue card. And inside here it talks a little bit about the subscription and the different treats and things that are inside the Barkbox. And right here, to show this off, says the Barkies. So this month's theme is kind of like a movie premiere. If we open this up, we have a little card here, kind of shows like the red carpet and everything, and you can take a picture with your pup right here along with the award trophy that's inside. So you look at some of the things in here. Inside's a collar that squeaks. You can put this around your pup. It has a tuxedo side and also a jewel side. So I think Blizzard might like that quite a bit. Here's the best chase scene trophy. That also barks. That's cool. And some of his treats here. This one's the nomination for the best picture. It's a pork recipe dog treat. Then we also have the nomination for the lammies. This is a lamb recipe dog treat. And kind of last for the treats that we have in here is a duck and mango chew. It kind of looks like a churro. And then we do have a card in here. Take a look at it. This side says, "Let's sniff butts." And on the back of it contains promotional codes, so you can give this from your dog to another dog. And it's a promotional code for Barkbox or Super Chewer subscription. I believe that gives you your first month free. And that is everything in Blizzard's Barkbox. Why don't we take a look and see what he thinks of his toys and his treats?
So it's been a couple days, and we wanted to give Blizzard the opportunity to try out some of his new treats. He was pretty tired the other night that we were filming this, so we'll go ahead and start off with the best picture treat. Blizzard, come here, boy. Special treat, buddy. Look what Daddy's got. Look at this. It's a piggy dog treat, huh? I'm going to break it in half. What do you think of that? What do you think of that one? Pretty good. Alright, so next up on our list of treats here is the lamb. This is the lamb recipe for dog treats. Blizzard boy looks interested. Whoop, you dropped it. Last up here we have the duck and mango chew.